Start
चल
recording.
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दे.
So
अब बता.
Sheetal, I have started the recording. So what observation I have made that actually I am trying to show here. So for calculating the क्या calculate कर रहे थे?
ICMR.
ICMR. What I have done, I have tied this V plus and V minus over here, and in the bottom I have applied the common mode voltage, and on the top this is the differential mode voltage. Okay, so let me rename it. So let it be, instead of V1 it should be VDM. So it is the differential mode is on the top, which is sinusoidal, having amplitude of 5 millivolt and frequency 1 kilohertz. And in the bottom I have applied the common mode voltage, but instead of applying any common volt like constant volt, I have used this command step parameter. So what it basically does,
Okay.
it varies the voltage. It varies the voltages, whichever voltage you are wishing to vary. Like here I am choosing to vary this x. So x को कहां से कहां तक हम vary कर रहे हैं? I am varying it from 0 to 1.8 volt with an increment of 0.3. मतलब
0.3.
step of 0.3 I am varying. So everything is same. Just one change which I have made is that here, instead of applying any voltage, constant volt like 1.2 or 1.1 or 0.9, I have used x or any step parameter. So after doing that, I will do the transient analysis. So let me close this. So for doing the transient analysis, you just go to the edit simulation command, do the transient analysis and click on OK. So once you run it and you put the probe over here, you will be getting many waveforms. Can you see, Sital? You are
Yes.
getting many waveforms. So these waveforms are for different values of common mode voltage. Like
Common mode voltage.
for if the common mode voltage is 0, then you are getting the gain something, the graph something, and for 0.3 volt you are getting some another sine wave, and for 600 millivolt or 0.6 volt you are getting another. So same thing I have done. So here you are getting number of graphs. So let me put the cursor over here, and when one comes, you just right click, and you can see x is equal to 0. So when x is 0 means common mode voltage is 0, you are getting this graph which is on the top. So
Blue one.
I am choosing to ignore this one, right? I will start from the next graph. So for next graph I will just put the press the upper arrow key, and then it will come over here. Then again one I will click on. So now you can see, Sital, it is showing x is equal to 300 millivolt or 0.3 millivolt, right? Is it clear?
Hmm.
So for 0.3 millivolt, I am supposed to calculate the maximum voltage and minimum voltage. So I will maneuver this cursor, and if it goes to the top, then you can see, Sheetal, here you are getting the V plus or maximum peak as 1.7036, right? Similarly, when I
Okay.
maneuver this cursor to the bottom, then you can see, Sheetal, that I am getting the peak voltage as 1.299. And let me now the same thing what I have done. Let me open. Uh, you see, Sheetal, can you see this graph? So for 300 millivolt, the maximum V plus is 1.7032 and minimum is 1.299. So is this much clear?
Hmm.
So let me see. Now I will open the calculator. So can you just tell me what was the maximum voltage?
1.70.
1.7032, right? So wait a second. This is the calculator. This is the LT spice. So 1.7032. Okay, please, it's mistake. 1.7032, and what is the minimum value, Sheetal? It is 1.299. 1.299. So if you subtract this, you are getting 0.4042. So this is the difference, means peak to peak value, right? So if I divide it by 2, then I will get the maximum, I mean the peak of this output waveform. Are you getting it? पीक टू पीक
यार
वैल्यू जो है
एक
वो
सेकेंड.
400
पीक
मिली
टू पीक.
मतलब 0.4 वोल्ट है. उसको हम
हाँ.
2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. जैसे एक साइन वेव है, शीतल, मैंने अप्लाई किया है साइन वेव, वो 5 मिली वोल्ट का है, तो उसका पीक टू पीक स्विंग कितना है? 5
Divide by
मिली
2.
वोल्ट इंटू 10, राइट? है ना? जैसे 5 मिली वोल्ट का मैंने इनपुट वेव अप्लाई किया है, तो उसका जो टॉप मोस्ट पीक है और बॉटम मोस्ट पीक है, उसका डिफरेंस कितना है? 10 मिली वोल्ट है ना?
हाँ उसका डिफरेंस डबल होगा
10 है। तो उसी तरह यहाँ पे जो ये पीक है, मैक्सिमम पीक और ये मिनिमम पीक है, इनके बीच का जो डिफरेंस है, द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू पीक्स इज 0.4 वोल्ट. सो इफ आई डिवाइड बाय 2 देन आई एम गेटिंग 0.2 वोल्ट. ठीक है.
हाँ
तो ये जो
upper part.
एम्पलीफाइड आउटपुट है, एम्पलीफाइड वेवफॉर्म है, एम्पलीफाइड वेवफॉर्म का मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड इज 0.2021. इज इट क्लियर शीतल?
Okay.
Now I will multiply it by 1000 so that it gets converted into millivolt. So the maximum output, the maximum amplitude of amplified output waveform when the common mode voltage is 0.3 volt or 300 millivolt is 202.1 millivolt. तो जब आउटपुट का जो मैक्सिमम है, मतलब Vmax जो आउटपुट है, वो अगर 202.1 मिलीवोल्ट है और इनपुट का कितना मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, इट इज 5 मिलीवोल्ट. तो अगर हम दोनों को डिवाइड कर देंगे तो वी आउट बाय वी इन क्या होगा, गेन हमें देगा ना. इज इट क्लियर?
एक सेकंड, इनपुट का 5 कैसे है?
अरे याद देखना, ये मैंने 5 लगाया ना.
अच्छा, तूने 5 मिलीवोल्ट का साइन वेव दिया है. ठीक है.
हाँ 5 मिलीवोल्ट अप्लाई किया है. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. तो चलो थोड़ा सा यहाँ ले आते हैं. तो अगर हम इसको 5 से डिवाइड कर दे शीतल, इफ आई डिवाइडेड बाय 5 because both are in now millivolt, so I am getting 40.42. This is the gain, but this is not the gain in decade scale, right? This is the gain in normal scale. अगर हम इसको decade में convert करना चाहे तो क्या करेंगे शीतल? I will do the log and then I will multiply by 20. So in dB scale it is 32.13, but ऐसे 40.42 था. Are you getting it शीतल?
हाँ.
अगर कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो. सेम चीज
नहीं dB में तो ठीक है.
हाँ देखो वही चीज मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि जब AV का वैल्यू 40.42 था, दिस इज नॉट इन लॉगरिथमिक स्केल, दिस इज इन नॉर्मल स्केल. सो फॉर व्हेन द कॉमन मोड वोल्टेज इज शीतल 300 मिलीवोल्ट या 0.3 वोल्ट, देन आई एम गेटिंग AV एज 40.42, राइट? समझ में आया इतना? ठीक है. अब चलो फिर से आते हैं इसमें. अब ये तो हो गया. अब फिर से मैं यहाँ पे एरो को ऊपर एरो वाला प्रेस करता हूँ. फिर से देखो, फिर 1 यहाँ पे दो, राइट क्लिक करो तो देखो, सॉरी 900 वोल्ट आ गया. एक सेकंड, एक ऊपर जाते हैं. देखो फिर x का वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x शीतल? इट इज 0.6 वोल्ट और 600 मिलीवोल्ट, राइट? बराबर है. ठीक है. अब जब कॉमन मोड वोल्टेज, व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन मोड वोल्टेज इज 0.6 वोल्ट और 600 मिलीवोल्ट, लेट मी शो यू व्हाट इज द Vmax. So it is Vmax is actually 1.6 and V minimum, let me scroll it to the bottom. V minimum at 926.43. So let me show it from here. Why I will do again. देखो, the maximum V peak is 1.6134 and minimum is 924.33 millivolt. So when I will take the difference of it, difference मतलब इन दोनों का हम difference लेंगे शीतल, और उसको फिर हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे और फिर 5 से भी डिवाइड करेंगे, तो जो गेन आएगा वो कितना आएगा शीतल? 68.907 आएगा. ठीक है. आ रही है बराबर बात? ठीक है. ये चीज मैंने किया. उसके बाद फिर शीतल फिर से मैं अपर एरो की को प्रेस करूंगा. तो अपर एरो को इसको आई विल प्रेस and again I will right click, then x is 900 millivolt or 0.9 volt. Similar. अच्छा, मतलब you are taking the so similarly I will sweep it for all the values from 0 volt to 0.3, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and finally 1.8. so चलो हम 1.8 पे फाइनली दिखाते हैं 1.8 पे क्या आ रहा है. तो ये जैसे मान लो, और एक बार हम ऊपर गए तो ये देखते हैं. दिस इज 300 मिलीवोल्ट. ओके. आफ्टर दैट 300, 600, 900, 1200, 1500 and this is this green one Sheetal is 1800. You can see x is equal to 1.8 volt. This is clear Sheetal? हाँ. तो for 1.8 volt when the common mode voltage applies is 1.8 volt, so I am getting the V plus or the maximum positive I have value 1.49 and 1.49 and minimum कितना आ रहा है शीतल? Minimum I am getting 1.15. So all this calculations I have done over here. You can see. Okay. For 1800 volt the maximum is 1491.81 millivolt and minimum is 1151.24 millivolt. Again I will take the difference, divided by 2 and then divided by 5. So finally I got this table. Is this table visible Sheetal? For 300 when the common mode voltage applied is 300 millivolt, I get gain of 40.42. When the common mode voltage applied is 600 millivolt, I got a gain of 68.907. When it is 900, then I got this, and when it is 1800 millivolt, I got a common mode gain of 34.057. But mind it, all this gain is in normal scale. These are not in logarithmic scale, right, Sheetal?
ठीक है
सब नॉर्मल स्केल में, कोई लॉगरिथमिक स्केल में नहीं है. अब हमको क्या करना है, हमें प्लॉट करना है. तो इन एलटी स्पाइस इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्लॉट, सो आई हैव यूज्ड एक्सेल. सी, एक्सेल में मैंने क्या किया है, लेट मी क्लोज इट.
अच्छा तूने सारी वैल्यूज एक्सेल में कॉपी
Exactly.
कर दी
One column I have made for AV and another column I have made for common mode voltage. So when the common mode voltage is 0.3, I am getting AV as 40.42. When it is 0.6, I am getting a gain as itna. 1.8, I am getting the gain of itna. So when I have to plot it, I will just select both these columns, go into insert, scatter, and scatter with smooth lines. So similar, so I got it. So this was the only graph. In the x-axis, I have a varying common mode voltage, which varies from 0 to 0.3 to 0.3 volt to 1.8 volt, and in y-axis I have gain. Of course, this is in the normal scale, not in dB scale.
अच्छा converted into dB scale.
Okay, let me convert it.
Then we'll get a good graph.
Yeah, but this is not in. So how do I do the conversion, Sita?
हाँ let me tell you, copy paste the column B and C into another Excel sheet.
I think if I do over here log.
नहीं actually I just don't want to like mess this
Wait a
graph.
second. I
दो
control.
एक साथ हो जाएगा ना.
I don't know, Shital. You can try. I am forgetting it. Maybe.
अरे एक काम करना, अगर एक्सेल पे कैलकुलेशन नहीं हो रहा तो डायरेक्टली मैं तेरे को वैल्यूज बोलती जाती हूँ कन्वर्ट कर करके.
हाँ,
यू जस्ट टाइप इट.
I can do. Wait a second. Can you help me?
हाँ
Calculator
हाँ
खोल.
हाँ एक सेकेंड.
Calculator
गिव
खोल and
मी अ
help me. First take the log and then multiply by 20. I will be writing the values over here.
हाँ हाँ बोल. 40 point.
AV. Wait a second. AV log. Now 40.42.
32.13.
32.
0.13.
32.1. Okay. Now do for the next one. 68.907.
Doing 36.76.
36.76. 36.76. Now next
is 36.39.
36.39.
Next is 36.022.
36.02.
55.471. Next is 34.87.
34.87. Right. Okay. And the last one?
The last one is 34.067. 30.64.
30?
30.64.
64. Okay. Now let's
plot
it.
These guys.
I will be selecting this one. I will be selecting this one. Go to insert. Scatter with smooth lines. Some chart types cannot be combined. Select different chart type. What is
Array actually plotted the curve now. That is why I'm saying you
okay. I will take a new sheet. Okay.
No, you don't have to open Excel again. Just open that Excel. Sheet 2. Open sheet 2. Copy paste those column B and column D into that.
Right. Okay,
now plot this.
Okay, now let me plot it, Sheetal. Yeah, we are getting something because the graph which we got in that also it was close to like this, na? So finally.
So now you just need to see that where is your graph is constant. It's like constant. You can say it's in between 0.65 to you can say 1.4.
Yeah. So this I think this is the area where it is constant. So we ICMR plus we are getting around 1.4 or 1.3, na? And ICMR minus, I think in this area it is 0.7. So we actually did it. Yes, we did it. This was the only specifications. So finally we got it.
Yes, so you can just copy paste these and we can plot it there.
So can I, should I take the screenshot of this?
You can take the snip of this.
So this is for the differential mode, right, Sheetal? So I will be sending. Let me close the recording. Is it over now?
Yes.